In this tutorial, we're going to cover how to calculate a basic Sharpe ratio. So here we're going to start off by importing yfinance as yf, and then we can come out of the next line. So I'm going to use Broadcom for this example, so we could do avgo equals yf.download, quote avgo, and I'm going to set my period equal to quote 1y, and I'm going to do some further indexing. So I'm going to look for just close, and while I'm here, I'm also going to do return. So I'm going to do %change and drop NA to drop that first NA value. We could run that, and now you can see we have 1 of 1 complete. We can come down to the next line, and now we can calculate our standard deviations. We're going to do avgo.std, and we're going to multiply that by 252, the number of trading days, and we're going to put that to the square root of 0.5 to take the square root. Now I'm going to put that in parentheses just so you guys can see it a little bit better, and then we can come down to the next line. So here we're going to define our returns. So I'm just going to take simple return. So I'm going to do cumsum dot iloc -1. We could run this, and we could run this as well. And now we have both our standard deviation annualized and our cumulative sum of returns. Now we can come down and simply do B over A, which is just going to be returns divided by standard deviation, and we could run that. Now you can see our Sharpe ratio is coming out to 1, which is quite a nice Sharpe ratio. And if you would like, we could even change this ticker to something like AAPL. We could run everything, keep the label name the same, and you could see our Sharpe ratio of Apple here. Now, that's a very, very basic way to calculate Sharpe ratio within Python, and I hope that helps.